How to check your balance using Coast Capital's apps or website. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view your account balance with Coast Capital. If you're using Coast Capital mobile app, you can start by logging in with your username and password, and then simply tap on the login button. Now, once you are logged in, from the home screen, you'll immediately see the account summary option. Then you could just go ahead and view your balance from there. And from your main screen, you can just tap on your account balances to view it. Then you can also enable the quick view feature to check your balance at a glance without needing to fully log in. Now, using the website, you can head over to banking.coastcapitalsavings.com on your web browser and simply click on the sign in option. Once your account overview page will be displayed, your balances for all linked accounts will be shown. You can click on any account to see a detailed history of their deposit, withdrawals, and pending transactions. And for faster access in the future, you can enable the quick view in the app settings as well, as I've mentioned before. And that's it. Whether it's your mobile app or website, Coast Capital makes it easy to check your balances anytime. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.